wait too long. Don't wait too long. Don't wait too long.
Okay guys, I just did a live on TikTok for like quite a few hours, so the makeup is a little tired now, but you're gonna see how I created this look. And if you want to recreate it, let me know, show it to me. I would love to see how it turns out. It was actually much easier than I thought. The products that I used, let me show you. I feel like I'm gonna watch this back and be pissed at how loud the music is. I created this look with these liquid eyeliners. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, you know the vibes. Let me know your thoughts if you have any opinions. Follow me on TikTok so you can see more content in real time. If you want a little outfit of the day, nothing special at all, just some leggings from that store, cheap $5 leggings. Ugh, these are the ones. Ugh, you can't. Okay, very, like, literally very much a hip-hop helicopter type outfit. Okay, whatever. The plan is to make TikToks and maybe go live. That's another reason you should follow me on TikTok, because then we could chat in real time sometimes. So my base is on. I think I need more light. Okay, I'm using this by Matte Lashes. The link will be in the description. I'm gonna use the black. It's water soluble, so you get it wet and then you know, I just sprayed some water in there. Should I swatch? I never swatch anything. Here. It's pretty, like, you know, I never swatch. I'm sorry, that was probably bad. At first, I'm like, it's not like dark enough, but honestly, I don't think I put enough water the first time. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do this on camera, but we're gonna try it. And this look that I want to do, I've never done it before. I'm literally just, you know what? I should map it out first. This is brave. This is too ambitious. Hold on. Oh, I got this wet for nothing. Fuck. Okay, I want to do another swatch. Oops. I'm getting it everywhere. I'm literally a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it. Like that. There's foundation and stuff on my hands too, so don't mind that. But like, it's pretty good. Like, that's why I bought it. It's like so good. So okay, I'm getting carried away. But the thing I don't like about it is a little bit of water and then it's gone. Like, that's all it takes. So if it rains, your makeup, your eyeliner is running. So I would use regular eyeliner to go out, but for like filming stuff, this is like really easy to, like, you know. But anyway, let me start mapping out my eyeliner and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of my favorite palettes, this black color. It's not really like a true black, it's like a gray black. I'm gonna take some of that, get rid of the majority of it, just so it's light. And I'm gonna map out what I want to do on my eye. Okay, I've got it mapped out. It might look crazy, but you'll see, I hope. Should I change the song? I'm gonna change the song. Okay, this is a very like fitting mood. I just hope you can see me like where I'm comfortable at. Okay, pray for me, y'all. It's my first time using this. Well, the black one. I'll maybe insert a picture of me trying the white one out. But yeah. Okay, the first one, I think it turned out pretty good. This is where the challenge begins. So, wish me luck. I feel like I already fucked up. If I didn't have to concentrate so much, right now I would be seeing so much more. Okay, this is where we're at. Yeah, I want to add white maybe, but I kind of don't want to. I might just make it a little bit lighter brown in the middle. Can't decide, can't decide, can't decide. I have this liquid lipstick and it's really bright and I think it could be a vibe. I kind of like how that just accidentally turned into 2 dots. Okay, whatever, we're just gonna do full blue. should not be going in with the applicator, but I like don't wear this as lipstick. It's cute though. Okay, I'm gonna use a brush because this is getting scary. I keep forgetting I can like low-key do makeup. Like I'm actually like not taking forever to do this, which is hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna kind of like let this dry a little and then do more. Oh, trying to find the right brush. Okay, this should work. Yeah, this is working. Pretty. Okay, I'm probably gonna use like a powder or like an eyeshadow to like, you know, but this is cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I also have to touch up a little bit of the black, but I think that's obvious. Okay, now that there's blue, I can see how uneven it is. That's okay. I'm gonna bring the black in on this side a bit more. But it like doesn't look that bad. No, it does. It does. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. At least I can see it now though. That's great. I'm wondering if I should do blue in the lips now. Don't know. We'll figure that out though. Okay, now they're even. There's much more black on both sides, but like I kind of like it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna finish it, and yeah. Should I do a white outline or would that be too much? I think that'd be too much. Request if you want me to do more eyeliner. Well, more eyeliner. Oh shit! I just realized. I should have let this dry a bit longer first. This is patchy. I'm gonna see when I watch it back. I'm gonna figure it out. This is my first time using this, so. Should I make it shiny or should I keep it matte? I really want to keep it matte. None of them like match that one. Actually, I don't want it to make it darker. I feel like this made it so much darker, right? I'm mad. But it kind of gives it like a texture. It's really interesting. It like looks velvet almost. In person. I don't know if it looks that way on camera. Interesting, right? Velvety. You guys have to tell me if I'm insane or this actually looks nice. Like please let me know in the comment. Now the question is, do I put blue under here or keep it black? I feel like I should keep it black, but I want to smoke it out. I'm also gonna go over the black with a bit of black shadow because it dries kind of shiny. It's not really helping, but whatever. And it dries like, it feels stiff, but you know, a little bit of water and it's coming off. Okay, now what eyelashes? I'm reusing eyelashes because I cannot be bothered. While my eyelashes are getting tacky with the glue, I'm gonna do everything else. My highlighter, blush, whatever else I missed. Oh, I love this song. It's my walking down the street song. Use whatever blush kind of works for you. But yeah, I'm going with this. I kind of like looking like a clown with a red nose. I love the clown aesthetic. I don't know what that's about. Why are we surprised? I like looking like a clown. I'm pretty good at it. Sure look good to me. Now would you please swing my way? Shorty swing my way. I'm gonna do shorter clip. Like I'm gonna come back when I'm like done, I think. Actually no, we're gonna hear this song. My camera keeps overheating though, so just, yeah. The clips might be a little weird from now. I look crazy, but trust the process. Always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will go with you, everything I will do for you. I love how I'm holding a mirror and I'm struggling in this one. Oh my gosh. By the way, I got this, yeah, it's another gray lash. This one, I'm cheesed though, it's not waterproof. I'm only gonna use it really when I do giant looks like this. Okay, it's telling me I have to record on lower quality because it's overheating, so I'm just letting you know that in case things change drastically, but. Okay, so my eyelashes are on. I kind of like the pale lip situation. I'm probably gonna overline them still. I don't know. I might improvise and add a little bit of the blue, but we'll see. Let's just get into it. Let's just try something. I'm gonna use a clear gloss, my regular eyeliner to lip line. Regular eyeliner. I kind of like this. feel like I should gloss it. I think that's pretty. I think this is really cute. Okay, the makeup is done. I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna do the outro, intro, and wrap this up. You already know. Okay. KOHO, what's good? What's good, homie? Thank you. Thank you. They're like press-ons, and I bedazzled them. They're from Amazon. My day's going well so far. I'm just straightening my hair. Literally just like making TikToks. Like I'm just getting ready to make content. I legitimately forgot to film like while I was in the live, but no, I should also add, you're gonna see my hair well, you know, who cares? You're gonna see my hair different in like videos to come. I'm gonna continue to switch it up. It's whatever. Like, yeah, the videos are not, they're no longer in real time. Like this one might be somewhat close to real time, but yeah, you're still seeing content that was filmed months ago, so it is what it is. I don't know what people think they should expect when they come on this channel, but it's really like, I always try to say, like, it's just my life. So whatever I feel like posting about, I post about. So if you have content in mind that you want to see and you're upset that I'm not posting that particular content, you should probably comment. And oh yes, shout out to, still it on the week, which phone is it on? I'm so blessed. Oh my god, life is good. Iris, shout out to you, Iris. Thank you for your comments, by the way. This is on the No More Wasting Time Being Friendly video. Thank you, complimenting the mic. The mic. I plan to use it very soon. I'm just working around the setup. I had to get headphones and it's like a thing. Yeah, but I'm also singing on TikTok very badly, might I add, but singing nonetheless. I need to get back into practice, so I'm gonna practice more on the channel too, don't worry, but you know, I don't want to say anything and then not do it, you know. You already know. But thank you for your comment nonetheless. And yes, I'm gonna style the pants with a zipper actually. I wanna make styling videos, you know? I wanna show you guys how I incorporate all these black items into my life that I keep buying. Tyshawn, thank you for the flames. Middle, yes, big up the 6 sauce. I am a Toronto shorty. Toronto ting. Thank you. And I love your videos, very, very much so. I love your videos. I'm so tired. I think I had like a solid 8-hour workday. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. I'm off this. Oh, I wanted to mention these press-ons, but we could do a different nails video. If you guys care about nail stuff, I could tell you guys what I've been using, what I've been into. If you care, I will do that. So let me know if you want that. Okay, my friends from the studio have invited me to a thing. And I'm gonna go, I guess. Why not? Hey, okay, so it's like, what time is it? It's 6:41 in the AM. And my eyeliner's still on. That is all. I'm about to take it off, but it lasted, so yeah.
Don't wait too long.